The whole market waited for this exhibition. CPM is the most important fair for retailers. So it was not possible to run the fairs. Now it's possible. But traveling is not possible. So we brought and invited all the international brands, and the ones who had Russian teams, Russian experts, they could present their stuff here. And so we are very proud that Turkey, Italy, Germany had really a tremendous big participation beside Russia. But it's happy to have these countries here, as well as France and others. You can see that the new brands are not coming. The brands are coming who know the market, who have the relation to the dealers, and who like to make business. And the same is on the visitor side. You see the first 2 days of the exhibition are holidays, national holidays, but we are crowded with people. So you see the market is hungry to meet each other. And I think it was the right decision to do it. It's not a risk to do it, but to invest our full know-how to run a fair under pandemic security. So the hygiene concept of Messe Düssellendorf is famous, and so we did our almost to create a secure and safety business place. And I think you see the visitors are here, our concept works.